Stop fighting with PowerPoint, spending hours to build decent slides. Gamma AI solves that by creating stunning presentation in few minutes with just text prompts. If you come to the site gamma.app, here you can create a new presentation with the new Gamma. If you have anything, you can import it. And if you don't know anything, go with the AI one. For now, we will go with the create new. Let's hit on this. From here, if you want it in the plain text, you want with images, or if you want to import anything, and if you want to remix with templates. So for now, let's go with the second option. We need some image. For now, it will give you some topics. If you like the topic, it is good. If you want to enhance or you want some other topics, you can hit on shuffle. For now, let's go with the quantum physics and hit on generate. Now from here, if you want, you can change the number of slides you want. After 10, you need premium, but 10 is a decent amount. From here, you can change the resolution and everything. But let's just wait and do the AI its work. And from here, you can choose the visuals, how you want the text. For now, I'm okay with the concise one, but if you want minimal, detail, or extensive, it can provide you that as well. And from here, you can choose a theme. For physics, let's go with the fifth one. And from here, you can select the image, whatever you want. You want illustration, photographic, abstract, 3D, or whatever you want. Let's go with the line art. I like that because I'm a big Notion fan. From here, if you want anything, like for me, I like minimalism and a bit of futuristic. And yeah, that's it. I think so. So it has given me all the text. Now we have selected the design and hit on generate. It will do its job. Looks like it has already started. Okay. Looks good enough. I think so. And from here, okay. As you can see, the visual image is stunning. And yeah, it has done a pretty good job. And let's wait until everything gets finished and we will see the final output. And from here, you have this search item if you want to search anything. Basically, if you need any kind of changes, you can play around with the blocks and anything. If you want to edit the text, you can do it. You want to change the icon, you can change the icon. If you hit the new, from here, if you want anything, like you want a pinwheel or a slope or a road or any kind of design that you want, you can just simply drag and drop here. And from here, we have graphs and everything. We have pie chart, column chart, bar chart. Then if you want to embed anything, you want to embed YouTube, Spotify, or any other Loom video or TikTok, anything, you can do that. Then we have other integrations with the app like Twitter, Google Drive, web app, and everything. And the last one is the form. If you have any Airtable, Calendly, Jot form, Google form, you can embed it if you want. And for now, everything is ready. I think so. Yeah. So the presentation looks stunning. And for now, let's go with the present option and let's see how it looks. Okay. This is super cool. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Fully impressed. Okay. So since you saw how easy it is to build a presentation, plus if you want, you can share it with someone. You can embed it, you can export it, you can download it. You want to publish on the site, you can publish on the site. From here, you can simply hit on convert into a site and it has been converted. From here, just hit on publish and it will be published within a second. Now just wait and let's see. So for now, it has been published on a subdomain of Gamma itself. And if you want, you can from here add the fav icon, or you want to add the nav bar, Google Tag Manager, or Meta AI. Whatever you want to add, you can add. And you can add your custom domain as well if you want to add the branding. For now, this is okay. And let's see if it has been published or not. And it is published. You can fully use this same presentation in your sales calls, in your office, in your presentation of your college or anything, wherever you want. But this is really great. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.